Did you know that two prominent descendants of the Prophet, peace be upon him, once lived in the same era, both noble, both respected, but with different paths? Imam Jafar Al-Sadiq, the sixth Imam from the Ahlul Bayt, was known for his deep knowledge and spiritual authority. Abdullah al-Mahad, the son of Hassan al-Muthanna, was a respected elder of Banu Hashim and the grandfather of the revolutionary Muhammad al-Nafs al-Zakiyya. While Imam al-Sadiq focused on teaching and preserving the true message of Islam through knowledge and inner reform, Abdullah al-Mahad's family leaned more toward political uprising against the Umayyad and later Abbasid rule. Despite differing approaches, Imam al-Sadiq showed Abdullah immense respect as a senior from the Ahlul Bayt. Their relationship was marked by mutual honor. Imam Jafar Al-Sadiq politely warned Abdullah multiple times of the expected betrayal of Abbasids and its consequences, but Abdullah unfortunately not able to follow his advice and eventually fell in their trap.